Welcome to GaneExplains. Whether you're a student, a teacher or a parent, I'm confident that you'll find value in this channel. I'm Jon Gane and I've spent nearly 3 decades now teaching writing in the classroom. I've taken the methods that have worked best for me and turned them into short, friendly and practical tutorials. Take a look. So, whether you're a student wanting to improve your writing skills, a parent wishing to support your child, or a teacher looking to develop confident and enthusiastic writers, there's a playlist waiting for you.